up a little early today, huh? We have some nightmares or something, huh? Let's see what you made for Dad. Let's see. Oh, I wouldn't like to sleep with that in my pants either. But it did happen once in college. Can you leave that bottle alone, honey? Can you put it down? Honey. Sarah. What a sweetheart.
ده طلع
Mira.
I know. I'll have you back in your warm little bed in 1 second. We go back to bed, sweetheart. You got a fresh, dry diaper. Peter, please. Buddy, we talked about the head thing. Get you all hooked up. Hang on. Don't fall. Oh, no. Peter. Oh.
ده طلع
Mira.
Okay. Something for Dad.
زين ما نمر دلخاي من يردلخا ما نم قال زي ما نمر دلخاي من يردلخا ما نم